Hey everyone, welcome back to Mind Free. Last time we had the 7-day program to reprogram your mind for success. Now we've got something different for you to try. Over the years, I've found a strategy that has helped me succeed in both my career and sports. Today, I'm sharing a 3-day program that's designed to kickstart your success in both areas in between your normal life. Let's dive in. Day 1. Build the foundation morning. Mindset and visualization, 10 minutes. Start your day with positive affirmations and visualize your success. Goal setting, 30 minutes. Write down 3 key goals for your job and sports. Make them SMART. Afternoon. Skill development, 1-2 hours. Focus on improving a crucial skill at work and in your sport. Evening. Physical exercise, 45 minutes. Engage in a workout that benefits both your health and your sport. Day 2. Push the limits morning. Morning routine, 1 hour. Start with hydration, a healthy breakfast, and some light meditation. Learning and growth, 30 minutes. Read or listen to something that challenges you. Afternoon. Challenge yourself, 1-2 hours. Step out of your comfort zone at work and during your training. Evening. Reflect and adjust, 30 minutes. Review your day, learn from it, and plan improvements. Day 3. Consistency and balance morning. Consistency check, 30 minutes. Review your goals and ensure you're on track. Work-life sport balance, 1 hour. Make sure you're maintaining a healthy balance. Afternoon. Collaborate and network, 1-2 hours. Connect with colleagues or teammates to learn and grow together. Evening. Relax and recharge, 1 hour. Unwind, spend time with loved ones, or indulge in a hobby. And that's it. This 3-day program has been a game changer for me, and I'm sure it will help you too. Stick with it, stay consistent, and you'll see the results. You need to repeat it sometimes, but at the end you will see the result. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe,